welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brianna, also known as the Red Witch, and today we are doing a day to night makeup tutorial, and this is for the New York girl gone south who requested this. It's kind of just going over something you could wear really simple to the office, something you can get done probably in 10-15 minutes when you're getting up, getting ready for work, and then what you could take with you to transition into a night look, like if you have a date night after work or what have you. You have everything with you, you can get it done. So enough blabbing. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to comment down below. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and punch the notification bell if you want to know when I upload. It's usually every Monday, but if that changes, you will get notified when I post. And I usually let people know either on my TikTok or my Instagram, you know, what's kind of going on. I've been sick this week, so it's been a little bit different, a little bit janky, and plus with the holidays, it does impact it a bit. But anyways, let's get started. All right, now that you're all zoomed in, we're going to be going in with the Urban Decay and going all over our lid. I'm just going to blend all of that out. And then one thing I like to do, my skin is feeling a little oily today, so I'm just going to take a fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to go into this first shade here, Coven. It's a nice like vanilla shade, and I'm just going to dab into that and place this all over my lid to help mattify it before I move on to using any color, just because I don't want to have like a whole bunch of product on my eye and then have it moving all around as I'm trying to blend. That's not a fun time. So now that we've got that in place, I'm going to reach for a good blending brush. This one is stained because mine are all well loved and used. We are just gonna go in with Cloves. It's a nice warm mid-tone brown. It's a good mid-tone, just the way we like it. And we're just gonna pop this right into our crease because we're not doing anything crazy. It's just a quick heading to the office look. You know, we're just getting ready for our work day. So blending this in. And if you feel you got a little too carried away and just blend it out with that first brush, that big fluffy one, it softens it up tremendously. And then we are going to take another blending brush, a smaller blending brush, and we're going to dip into the darkest color of the palette, Salem. It's a nice like chocolatey color. I really like it, and it's great for just warming up the edges of your eye. So it's perfect for a look like this because it blends beautifully. Like, I really love this palette. Blending this up and in, making sure that everything's where you like it. And then you can either, you know, leave it like this, maybe blend out the vanilla color, or put a little more of that Coven on there. You know, just fill that in with the nice light color. You can even use your finger to pat it on. Get a nice vibrant lightness right here. It'll pop of like highlight to your eye. Or you could be a little extra like me. I'm going to take Charmed. Oop. I'm going to take this Charmed color. Take a little bit on my finger. And I'm going to place it right here at the division of the light and the dark eyeshadow, and then lightly blend that out with my other finger. I find with shimmer shades, using my finger is best because it doesn't remove so much of the shimmer as like a brush would. And you can either, again, leave it like this, or go into Hex, and I'm going to place a little bit on the inner part of my eye as well. So you have a nice gradient of shades there. You can certainly upgrade it to this. This is something I would wear into work for sure. And you can also take a little bit of that dark color, that Salem, and just blend it right under your eye and to warm up the joint. And because this is a work look and not necessarily like something you're going to a club in, I'm just going to go in with, this is called Easy on the Eyes. It's in the shade Bronze. And I'm going to just take this and fill in my waterline. Instead of my typical like black, like a nice warm shade So you still have something on your lash line without it being like obnoxious. And the other thing I'm going to do really quick is I'm just going to do like a soft wing. So we are going to, starting at the corner of my lashes, just make a soft flick. It's nice and soft. It's not the best. My hand was a little shaky. So going on with a Q-tip, we're just gonna clean up that edge and help correct it. And then going in with our Milk Mascara. This is another product I found at Ipsy that I really enjoy. It has a really thick wand, but it's really easy to work with. So I really enjoy using it. It really accentuates your lashes without making them clumpy or spidery. All right, now the real reason you're all here is the nighttime look. So staying zoomed in, before I do the other eye, we're just gonna jump into that nighttime transition. So say you're wearing this to the office, and this is the reason why I used the Hipdot palette. I looked through what I had, I was like, what would work to put like in your purse or whatever you got, your bag. And this is a small little palette. You could put this in like a little makeup bag along with a couple brushes, another eyeliner, you're set. So we are going to take some more Salem and we are going to build this darkness. We're going to bring that up and around. We're going to darken this up a lot from where it was. We're going to smoke it out too. And this is just building up on the same look we had. Go under your eye with it a little more. You can wipe away easily any of the excess shadow. And going in with my finger, I'm going to use this shade here, Bad Mouth. Put that right on my finger and pat that on over the golds we did before. And so now we easily transitioned it with just a couple steps to make the shadow itself a lot more nighttime friendly, a lot like date night, club night. And we can take it a little further from here without even using any eyeshadow. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our eyeliner again and fill out that wing a little more. Make it a little longer. And then we're gonna make it a little more intense. And if you're not brave enough to do the inner corner thing, don't worry about it. I just like being extra. And so I will sit here and just make sure that it looks right. And then taking my voluminous smoldering eyeliner, just fill in our waterline. I like doing my top liner too, especially when I have done a really like smoky look or something with very dramatic liner. It helps make it a little more cohesive. All right, so I'm gonna hop over to the other side and I'll be back to do some lipstick. All right, now moving on to lips. Ooh, I'm dropping stuff. So moving on to lips, I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics waterproof lip liner in Rosy. It's an older one. They still offer it on their site though. But I'm just gonna take it and go just outside of my natural lip line, because what that does is it kind of creates a shadow for your lip and helps them look fuller. One of my least favorite trends is like the overdrawn lip where like people draw their lip way up here. Like you don't need to make yourself look, you don't need to have an unnatural shape just to make yourself beautiful. You're beautiful the way you're born. Makeup just helps accentuate it. I'm just going to darken the inner corners of my lip as well. And then the lipstick I'm reaching for is the UOMA lipstick in Maya. This is a new one I just got from Ipsy. It just comes in a clear white packaging. The letter's all in raised white. Like it's all metal. It's really nice. I really like this component. It's nice and heavy. And this is the shade. It's a nice neutral. We're just gonna fill in our lips. And this lipstick is nice and buttery. Oh, I just realized I have so much powder all over this shirt. This lipstick is nice and buttery, and it's really soft and like a satin finish. So I'm going to put this Rinna Beauty lip gloss on top, and this is in Guilty Pleasure. It's a nice pink. Just gonna put a little bit of this over to help make it a little shiny. But here we are. Here is the final look from day to night. And if you have any other suggestions, let me know. I will definitely be filming them as much as I can, as soon as I can. But this cold really just got me down. I'm feeling a lot better now. But when I initially filmed this on Sunday to post yesterday, I just felt like absolute garbage. So with the film not working right and me not feeling well, it just didn't happen. And so I decided to refilm it today now that I'm feeling a bit better. And I'm much more happy with the result. I hope you all are very happy with it as well. And I will see you all again very soon in the next video. Bye, guys.